Hi everyone, welcome to Jody Cooking Channel. For today's video, we are going to make choco banana cake. Combination of chocolate and banana. We have 2 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of chocolate powder, 1 cup of brown sugar, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 tablespoonfuls of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 2 large eggs, and of course, bananas. First, we are going to blend this banana. And pour all the wet ingredients. Here is the blended banana. Easy step to make this chocolate banana cake. Then the sugar and the milk. Mix thoroughly and beat the egg together with the milk and sugar. Mix well. Add the vanilla and the oil, salt. Mix thoroughly. When the sugar and salt dissolve, then shift the flour. Chocolate powder, baking soda, and the baking powder. Then prepare the pan. Bake it for 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now here comes our chocolate banana cake. Let it cool. Now we are going to unmold. Very good. Perfect. Crunchy on the top. Very soft, fluffy, like chocolate brownies. Okay, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell to update you in my next videos. Bye!